Thank you for watching this brief video demonstration of Zoom's virtual agent chat, handling inquiries and escalating to a live agent. We'll begin by navigating to our website, where you'll find our web chat button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. We click on that to begin interacting with the agent, at which point it greets us. So we'll start by telling the bot what our issue is. And as you can see here, it's now asking me for an image of the damaged document, which I'm now going to provide. Next, I'm going to be asked to confirm the reference number associated with the account. And for security reasons, it's going to ask me to confirm the address. Now that those steps have been completed, it's going to confirm whether I'd like a replacement. It's now going to process that request and arrange for a delivery. So I'm going to request an update on this case. Now it says out for delivery, 3 p.m. on Friday. No further details on that. Now I can either escalate to a human agent or make another inquiry. So I'm going to ask about another case I have with them. This time it's a different case number. It's asking me to confirm the address again. Now I can see the status is processing order, and there's also a signature missing on the order. So it's asking me to proceed to speak to an agent, so I'm going to accept that. And now it gives me the support option below, so I'm going to click on that and start engaging with the agent. So we're going to switch over here to the agent view. Here we can see a history of the call. We can also get a very brief summary of the conversation itself, generated entirely by the AI, including the damaged document replacement. And then we've checked the status of another order there, which is missing a signature. We can also look to see who the customer is because they've already engaged with the bot and found a reference number. We know the reference number, we know the name of the person, so we can greet that person by name. And we can see if they'd like to proceed with the inquiry. The customer has come back and asked us that they would like to cancel the case, so I'm going to confirm that with the customer again. The customer has come back and confirmed that they'd like to cancel. Now the sentiment has been triggered as negative because they're requesting a cancellation. It's not a positive conversation. Straight away, our AI Expert Assist has popped up with a few different tips and tricks that we could use to try and make the customer's life a little bit easier. But also because they've asked to cancel the case, this has triggered our information retrieval as well. So at this point, I can find out more details about the case without having to log into a CRM. So I already know the case number based on the variables that the customer filled out previously. I can easily go in here and type in the customer's order number, which in this case is 118. Now it's been confirmed that a signature is required on this case. The company name, the customer's phone number, and also the customer's name again. So I can go back and carry out an additional security check if I wish, or I can proceed to cancel the case for them, or whatever else may be required. Thank you for watching this short demonstration. I hope it was informative, and I'll see you in the next one.